Hey guys, thanks for joining in and welcome to BOXX. In this short tutorial, we will walk through the various ways to include JavaScript in HTML. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the BOXX website. Link in the description box below. Method 1. Load an external JavaScript file. Simply define the script tag, then specify the URL of the JavaScript file. That's all to loading external JavaScript files. But take note of the full URL here. This is called an absolute URL. We can also shorten to use the path and file name only, and this is called a relative URL. Relative URL will automatically resolve based on the current address. In this example, it will point to localhost/demo.js. Relative URL may seem like the smarter way to go, but be very careful with it. For example, if we place the current page into an inside folder, the relative URL will now resolve to localhost/inside/demo.js. This is the wrong path, and will result in a missing file error. So stick with absolute URL to be safe. Method 2. Internal JavaScript. This is as straightforward as it gets. Just add the JavaScript in the script tags. Take note that script tags can be placed in both head and body sections of the HTML document. Method 3. Inline JavaScript. Not to be confused with internal JavaScript. Inline JavaScript is directly attached to an HTML element. For example, click on element to do something. Or mouse over to do something. That covers all three methods. But take extra care of the loading order of the scripts. For example, we define a variable first. Then, show it in an alert box. This works properly, because the variable is defined first, then used later. But if we reverse the order, it will throw an error since the variable is not defined first. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.